What's up guys, Chris Schwank here, aka the Tech Jobber. What's the first thing you think of when someone mentions high-paying tech jobs? Software engineering, every time. But here's the thing, some of the most in-demand tech jobs right now don't require you to write a line of code. I'm talking about roles that pay $150K or more, and today I'm going to show you 5 of them that almost nobody talks about. The best part, these jobs are actually growing faster than software engineering positions. Let's dive in. First up is UX researcher. Now, don't confuse this with UX design. These are the people who understand why users do what they do, and companies are paying up to $175K for this expertise. Think about it. Companies spend millions building products, but if users hate using them, that's millions wasted. That's why UX researchers are so valuable. They're basically tech psychologists. A typical day might include running user testing sessions, analyzing behavioral data, creating research reports that guide product designs, and presenting findings to executive teams. The crazy thing? Many successful UX researchers come from psychology or anthropology backgrounds. They understand human behavior first and technology second. Real job requirement I saw last week. Must have experience in qualitative research methods. Notice what's not there? Coding. Next up, IT vendor management. Now, in my experience, IT vendor managers are some of the smartest and best looking people in the field. I'm not just saying that because they directly impact my compensation. But in all seriousness, these are the power brokers of the tech world, and they're making $180K or more in some cases. Here's why this role is so valuable. Large companies spend millions, sometimes billions on technology. AWS, Microsoft, Salesforce. These vendors know companies need their services. But who makes sure the company isn't overpaying? Who negotiates these massive contracts? That's right, IT vendor managers. I recently spoke with someone in this role who saved the company $2 million just by renegotiating one cloud contract. Think about that. Their entire year's salary paid for itself multiple times over in one deal. Now, what do they do all day? Well, they negotiate contracts, manage vendor relationships, track performance metrics, and strategic planning for future tech needs. The best part? The role is more about business skills than technical skills. If you're good at negotiation and relationship building, this could be your path into tech. Number 3, technology program manager. Think of them as the conductor of tech orchestra, making sure everyone plays in harmony, and they're well paid for it, up to $190K in major tech hubs. I've seen over $120 per hour in some cases in my career. Here's what makes this role special. In tech, you can have the best developers in the world, but if nobody's coordinating the big picture, the project will fail. That's why program managers often make more than developers they manage. Their typical day includes running multiple project streams, managing stakeholder expectations, solving cross-team dependencies, and keeping executive teams updated and most importantly happy. The secret? It's about leadership and organization, not coding. I know successful technical program managers that came from project management in completely different industries. 4th on the list, business systems analyst. These are translators between business and tech teams, earning up to $175K for this crucial skill. I've actually seen it go as high as $100 to $120 an hour if they have a niche skill on top of it. Now, why are they so valuable? Because they bridge the gap between what the business needs and what the technology can deliver. They're the ones that make sure technology actually solves real business problems. Daily responsibilities include analyzing business processes, documenting system requirements, proposing technology solutions, and working with stakeholders at all levels. Here's what's interesting. This role is perfect for people who understand how businesses work, but also love technology. You need to understand tech concepts, but you never need to code. Last but definitely not least, enterprise change management leads. This role can pay up to $190,000 a year. And here's why. Companies spend millions on new technology, but if people don't use it properly, that investment is wasted. Let me share a shocking statistic. Up to 70% of digital transformation projects fail. But companies with strong change management are 6 times more likely to succeed. That's why these professionals command such high salaries. Now, what exactly do? They create adoption strategies, design training manuals, manage communication plans, and track and improve user adoption. The really interesting part, this role is more about understanding people than understanding technology. Success is about psychology and communication, not technical skills. So there you have it, 5 tech roles that pay $150K or more, and none of them require coding skills. Let's do a quick salary recap. UX researcher, up to $175K. IT vendor manager, up to $180K. Tech program manager, up to $190K. Business systems analyst, up to $175K. And a change management lead, up to $190K. Now, which of these roles interests you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you'd like to learn more about any of these positions, drop a comment, and I might make my next deep dive video about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech career insights. Thanks for watching.